go to the Checking Out the Code section in the Android Google Source website. Follow the instructions to download the repo tool, which will be used to fetch the AndroidX Library code. Configure your Git credentials. This step is optional as we will not be contributing but simply using the code. Create a directory where the AndroidX library code should be stored. Using the repo tool, initialize the repository of AndroidX. If you get the error related to Python, make sure you have Python 3 installed, and then also install the Python is Python 3 package. After the initialization of the repo is completed, we can pull the AndroidX code to our machine. Enter command repo sync j8c. This could take up to a half an hour, depending on the internet speed. After the pull is successful, the setup for downloading the AndroidX library code is completed. To see the case of using an unreleased library, let's take a look at this tweet from Google developer Ian Lake, where he suggests using the unreleased library for those who want to try out the bug fix as soon as possible. In this case, the AndroidX navigation library containing bug fix is not officially released, but the code for that is open source. So from the open source code, we will generate an artifact of the unreleased version to try out our latest bug fix. Let's go to the Google Maven repository site and see the AndroidX versions for the navigation library currently available publicly. Notice the latest is Alpha 3. But if you navigate to the AndroidX code and open the library versions.kt, you will see the newer Alpha 4 version available. Let's try out the public version of Alpha 3 first, which will be fetched from the Google Maven repository. Now let's try out the unreleased version of Alpha 4. The IDE will try to fetch it from Google Maven repository, but will not find this version. To create an artifact for our Alpha 4 version, go to the terminal and enter the command gradlu create archive no daemon. Sorry if that was pronounced badly. This will generate a zip archive called the top 10 of tree m2 repository in the out/dist directory. Navigate to the Android SDK directory and create an extras folder. Unzip the zip archive in this folder. In the repository section under the settings.gradle, add the Maven URL pointing to our local artifact. Sync it, and now you're using the unreleased version. Hi, I'm Smitnov. I narrated this video. Go follow my YouTube channel in the link in the description because I only have 9 seconds to say this. Seriously, go follow me. That would be very sick. Thanks.